beat and your first drum fill, 30 to 60 beats a minute. This sounds fun. All right? 1 and 2 and you know what to do. Crash. Boom, boom. Chuck, tick. Boom, boom. Chuck, tick. Keep those tips up. 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and boom, boom. Chuck, tick. Boom, boom. Chuck, tick. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and boom, boom. Chuck, tick. Boom, boom. Chuck, tick. So let's talk about our feet. The weight of my right foot is on the ball of my foot. I mean, the weight of my right leg is on the ball of my right foot. It's my resting place. I got to take off the rubber butts on my sticks, just the butt part, the very butt. They stick to my pants when they're going by. I also should sit up. Boom. Then they won't hit my pants, probably. Boom, boom. Chuck, tick, left, right, left, right. So remember to leave your weight on your foot until the last possible minimum-second. You know minima? Minimilla-second. Okay, let's talk about keeping our hands up, our sticks up. 1. See how I get a good start before I start on the tom 3 or snare? Boom. Here's one element of that. I'm playing my hi-hat with the stick coming up high. See how it was ready? Okay. Now I'm playing my right cymbal with this tip coming back past vertical. See how it was ready? Looking really serious. I saw myself. That time, you could see my hi-hat, stick coming back past vertical, which prepped me for being able to do the drum fill past vertical. Now the right cymbal's doing it again. Okay. Now, let's talk about the hand that plays the snare drum. Right now it's my left, because I put it back up on my shoulder after I hit the snare drum. Now it's my right hand up here. Now watch my right hand. It's ready. Now watch my left hand. It's ready. Here we go. See that? This will prepare you for playing fast. It's a whole new thing doing this with a drum beat instead of just playing the drum fill by itself, right? But it's fun. Okay, we're going about 50 beats a minute right now. 52. '53. See those open hands? Look inside my hands while I play. You can see right into them. See that? That's that open grip, like I'm a mannequin or something. Now let the stick push against you. Really feel that stick rebound, pushing against you as it flies back, like you're dribbling a basketball. Keep the weight on the balls of your the ball of your right foot. I go to correct that, and it's like I have to correct the tom-tom somehow, too. Okay, here we go. Talking and playing drums at the same time. Maybe I should speak rhythmically only. Keep your sticks up, keep your sticks up. Boom, boom, chuck. Boom, boom, chuck, tick. We're coming up on 60 beats a minute soon. Boom, boom, chuck, tick, boom. When we get there, we're going to stay for 1 minute to prove you can hang in there. Boom, boom, we're there. Hang in there now. This has been fun. What was that? It's kind of a slow triplet and something else. I'm talking about the rhythm of my speaking. Okay, we got 30 seconds left. $20 seconds left. I hope you had fun with this. If you make any mistakes, don't try to work your way out of them. Just go back and start over. You'll just keep getting better and better with those slow practicing reps. This is really fun. Bye. Let's do another one of these.